Ania Sade, and if you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about this Influencer box, and I did receive these products for free to test out from Influencer, and they partner with Makeup Forever, which is a beauty brand, and I actually received the Makeup Forever Brow Definer and Soft Brown. I'll have the product information in the description box if you're interested, but they came out with a brow definer, a brow filler, and a brow fixer, but they sent me the brow definer to try out for free and test out to give my honest review about it. So right now you're just going to see how I fix my brows naturally before I add any brow products to my brow. Alright, so I like to go in with my Pat McGrath concealer to just shape up my brows from the bottom first, as you're seeing it, so, and then I'll go on top to shape my brows after I fill them in. And today's product, of course, of choice is going to be the Makeup Forever Brow Definer. And what I love about this is their Aqua line that just came out, the Aqua Resist Brow Definer. So it just means that it's waterproof. Because if you're like me and your brows will move if it's not waterproof, it just sucks. Because I have really thin, as you can see, brows. So I do need something to be added to my brow to make them look more fuller. However, I don't want it to move throughout the day if I so happen to sweat or what have you. So I will say that I did love this, and I was very excited to try this product out just to see if it actually holds up like it said it would. And what I do love about this brow definer is that it really helps for anyone that has really thin brows like myself. So I like to do very natural thin strokes to mimic my natural brow hair, so it can look very natural and don't look like I just put some kind of brow product onto my brows. That's the worst. That's what we don't want. We want it to look so natural where you really couldn't even tell that it probably was any brow product to be added. So I like to do, like I said, really thin strokes. And I love that this product actually has a spoolie on the opposite side, because that helps me shape my eyebrows even more. And why it's so great to have this spoolie on the opposite side is because the spoolie just helps the product move in the direction that you need it to go. So that's really great. Yes, well, leave me a comment below if you happen to try out this product. I loved it. It held up. I mean, wore it for like 8 to 10 hours, but it was enough time for me to make a real judgment. I'm going to keep trying it out, of course, but let me know if you happen to buy it and your thoughts about it. Do you like it? Do you not? I want to know. And I am a brand ambassador with Astrology Trends, which is a fashion-based company centered around astrology and zodiac signs. I happen to be a Cancer, which is why you're seeing this shirt. It's called Cancerish. But everything will be in the description box below, including the Ania Sade 10 discount code.